All right, just going to go over these multiple choice real quick from today. The first one, number 1, has the truck pulling the boxes like that. The correct answer is C. I'm just going to go through why the correct answer is what it is. All right. So you have the cable from the truck definitely pulling crate 2 to the right. All right. Then you definitely have friction pulling to the left. All right. So that leaves C and D as a possible answer. You have a rope pulling to the left. That's definitely the case, but that still keeps C and D as your answer. Now the question is, like, where is that crate 3 going to come from? So the way to think of it is Newton's third law. So as block 2 pushes crate 3, the obvious thing is block 2 puts a force on crate 3 to the right. But according to Newton's third law, if block 2 puts a force on crate 3 to the right, then crate 3 puts a force on block 2 to the left. So that's why you have that force crate 3 right there also going to the left. And that's why the answer is C. All right, going to this one over here, conservation of momentum. So I get a better view on it. The 2 blocks hit. The block A has initial speed V initial. After they hit, they stick together and they have 1/3 of that V initial over 3. All right, so the question is, which block is heavier, if either? So if you set this one up, your equation would be MA V initial equals the combo mass, so MA plus MB, times V final. All right, because it's an inelastic collision. If if mass A and mass B were the same mass, then I know the answer would be V initial over 2, because essentially when the mass doubles, the velocity would have to cut in half. In this case, because the velocity cut in third, that must mean that when they hit and collided, the mass tripled. Therefore, the velocity cut by 1/3. And then if the mass tripled, that's why B must be the bigger one, because when A hit B, the mass tripled, because B is 2 times bigger than A. Okay, that was the conceptual explanation. I would recommend, if you're having trouble, do the math with it. Do like I said, MA V initial equals MA plus MB V final. And when you see the equation like that, I think you'll kind of see the way it works out. All right, there's your answers for today. Enjoy, everybody.